to my channel Healthy Samayal. Today let's prepare bakery style honey cake with a bread. Let's make honey sugar syrup. In a pan, add 1 cup of sugar, half cup of water, boil it until the sugar melts. Now sugar has melted completely. Add 1 drop of orange color. It's completely optional. It gives a good color to our recipe. Transfer it into a bowl and keep it aside. Now let's prepare desiccated coconut powder. In a mixer, grind coconut pieces. In a pan, dry roast it slightly. Make sure that it does not change its color. The color should be white. Dry roast the coconut in a small flame. Dry roast it until the moisture evaporates, and coconut powder should have a good color and it should be free flow. Let's prepare the jam for cake. In a pan, add 1 tablespoon of jam and just within a slight boil, just switch off the flame and set it aside. Jam, desiccated coconut and sugar syrup is ready. When the sugar syrup is warm, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of honey into it. Mix it. Now let's prepare our honey cake. Take 3 fresh bread slices. Just remove the edges of the bread. This recipe is very easy to make. You can do this as an evening snacks for your kids. I have removed the edges for all 3 bread slices. Apply sugar honey syrup to the bread slices. If you think that your sugar honey syrup is too thick, you can add little more water so that your bread slices becomes soft enough. I have applied the sugar honey syrup to all 3 slices of bread. Once it is done, let's apply the jam on the top. Garnish it with desiccated coconut powder. Now you can easily make honey cake at home just using a bread. It's really very soft and tasty. Try this wonderful recipe at your home. You enjoy eating this recipe and even kids love them. Make sure that honey syrup is not too thick. If it is thick, then your cake may not be soft and spongy. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell button. Thanks for watching Healthy Samayal.